Look inside any data center, and you'll see the engine of the AI boom, billions in custom infrastructure, expanding outward at breakneck speed. Every quarter, tech giants report soaring top-line revenues and expanding customer bases, creating a public perception of an unstoppable wealth machine. In DIY economics, true financial literacy means looking past those heavily marketed top-line numbers. To understand where the money actually goes, you have to look at the underlying mechanics of the balance sheet. Digging into the math reveals a hidden pressure point developing beneath the surface. It is a scenario called ROI compression, where capital efficiency declines even as overall adoption reaches new highs. Revenue growth often masks a growing structural fragility. When the cost of growth outpaces the value created, the entire market becomes vulnerable. Hyperscalers are deploying billions to maintain a defensive standoff, prioritizing market positioning over actual customer demand. This is driven by existential platform risk. Management is terrified that falling behind in AI scaling will render their core business model obsolete. This competitive panic leads to defensive overinvestment. Companies spend aggressively to maintain relevance, regardless of whether those specific dollars generate an immediate return. The result is an industry-wide overextension. We are seeing a sprawling highway system built long before there are enough profitable workloads to utilize the lanes. This game theory trap ensures AI spending is driven by competitive survival rather than sound financial strategy, leading directly to a collapse in capital efficiency. We map this collapse through a simple equation. On the left, top-line revenue growth pulls the scale down, but capital intensity, operating costs, and depreciation violently tip it back. AI hardware suffers a 20% annual depreciation. Capital must become profit before assets lose relevance. Utilization gaps make this worse. A server sitting idle generates zero return, yet it still loses 20% of its value every year. Finally, consider pricing pressure. As overbuilt capacity floods the market, competition forces service prices down, further destroying profit margins. Even with rising revenue, if a company cannot outpace the combined weight of these costs and rapid depreciation, its true return on investment is collapsing. This leads to a critical inflection point. What happens when tech giants collectively realize that aggressive investment is no longer improving their returns? The shift is rarely gradual. When ROI compression hits a tipping point, it triggers a sudden stop. Capital expenditure doesn't glide down, it halts. This creates a systemic risk for the broader market. Hyperscalers represent a large share of index fund value, and current valuations assume these companies will generate high returns on this hardware for years to come. When that growth narrative fails to meet the math, valuation multiples compress rapidly. This realization can trigger a broad and disproportionate market correction. A DIY economics mindset protects you from this fallout. Start by ignoring growth stories that lack clear monetization timelines. Focus instead on the leading indicators: flattening Capex guidance, consistent margin pressure, and an executive shift toward efficiency and return on invested capital. Understanding the math of ROI compression allows you to take ownership of your financial future. You gain the power to see the storm coming and protect your wealth with confidence. Subscribe to Suburban DIY for more strategies